You're arresting me for nothing.
They're arresting you for not giving a name. You're gonna hinder my investigation. So, I mean, we could do this easy or we could do it hard, and I really don't want to do it hard.
Derek had spent the evening drinking at his cousin's house on 4th Street, then made the responsible choice to walk the several miles home with his dog Lola rather than risk driving impaired. OCGA Section 16-11-36 allows a stop only for loitering or prowling in a place at a time, or in a manner not usual for law-abiding individuals under circumstances that warrant a justifiable and reasonable alarm or immediate concern for the safety of persons or property in the vicinity. But the church employee's 911 call was explicitly a welfare check, not a crime report, no mention of trespass, no fear of the visible Glock, no alarm beyond a man resting with a dog. By the time Officer Lane and Sergeant Parker arrived less than 10 minutes later, Derek was already awake, off the church driveway and walking lawfully along the public road shoulder. The CAD report confirms the dispatch code was for a non-emergency welfare concern, not loitering, not prowling, and certainly not an armed threat.
Chilling. How are you?
Good, sir. Got a complaint. You was with somebody's driveway.
Right there? Yeah. At the turning point?
Yeah. You good?
Yeah, I'm straight. Lay down, took a rest.
Where you live at?
Right there on Willow Creek.
Willow Creek?
Yeah, right down the
So
road.
you lay in somebody's driveway with a Glock?
Yeah, I got a gun.
I know you do.
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
Yeah, I'm good.
So why'd you lay down in the driveway?
Walk from a person's house.
Where are you coming
Took a
from?
rest
Where are you coming from, bud?
from my cousin's house.
Where does he live?
4th Street.
4th Street. What's your name, bud?
Does it matter? Too much?
Yeah, it matters.
Why?
So, I'm out with you because you was in somebody's driveway and you have a Glock. See what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and hold on to that. I'm gonna put it on my hood, okay?
Good.
Not that it's not against your ride or nothing. What was it, tied on there?
No. You can get it out.
I'm sure it is.
Yeah.
There it goes. So, what's your name?
126 Queen, I'm out 133.
What's up, pup?
10-4.
What's your name? I mean, you're gonna hinder my investigation. You're gonna hinder my investigation. So, I mean, we could do this easy or we could do it hard, and I really don't want to do it hard.
There is nothing, there's no crime being committed.
But
right?
here's my thing. You're in somebody's driveway.
But
You're asleep in somebody's driveway with your dog.
is that a crime?
You're on somebody's property. You're trespassing. See what I'm saying?
Not anymore, though.
I mean, we can, dude, I'm telling you, we can make this easy, we can make it hard. I mean, he's good.
She
He doesn't want to give me his name.
Oh. I know this man. Why not? Do I have to?
Legally, yes.
Huh?
Legally, yes.
Legally, yes.
Sarge.
Because we got a call about you being in somebody's yard, and we're in the middle of an investigation. So by Georgia law, yes.
Investigation about what?
About trespassing possibly.
Trespass?
So here's the thing.
Possibly.
Do it.
I'm not there anymore.
Okay.
But we still got a call about you.
You're not going to give us your name?
I don't have to.
Okay.
County. 1095, 1 mile.
10-4, 1095.
What am I being arrested for?
Obstruction.
Hello. Oh. Why not?
Do I have to?
Legally, yes.
Huh?
Legally, yes.
Legally, yes.
Because we got a call about you being in somebody's yard, and we're in the middle of an investigation. So by Georgia law, yes.
Investigation about what?
About trespassing, possibly. So, here's the thing. You either do it.
I'm not there anymore.
Okay.
But
Well,
we
look.
still got a call about you.
You're not going to give us your name?
I don't have to.
Okay. Turn around.
What am I being arrested for?
Obstruction.
114 on duty yet?
I don't know. You got anything on you gonna poke me, stick me, anything of that nature?
You put my gun.
Okay. Making sure you ain't got no knives, needles, anything of that nature.
Can I possibly call somebody? I have to call my
We'll get animal control. No.
Sergeant Parker escalated within 90 seconds of contact, demanding Derek's name and threatening arrest if he refused, despite zero evidence of any crime in progress or recently committed. According to Hebel v. 6th Judicial District Court, 542 U.S. 177, 2004, an individual may not be compelled to reveal his name unless he is lawfully arrested or there is reasonable suspicion that he has committed a crime. No trespass complaint was ever filed. No property owner demanded prosecution, and Derek had already left the church easement. Open carry is legal for adults over 21 without prohibition under OCGA Section 16-11-126, and Georgia has no stop and identify statute requiring ID during consensual encounters or welfare checks. The investigation, Parker repeatedly invoked, lasted less than 1 minute before handcuffs were applied. Parker himself warned, "We can do this easy or hard," and "You're going to hinder my investigation," admitting the arrest was punitive, not investigative. The obstruction charge, OCGA section 16-10-24, requires active interference, not mere silence or refusal to self-identify during an unlawful detention.
So we played.
You're in your car.
Yeah.
You're
I got it.
arresting me for nothing.
I'm arresting you for obstruction. You refused to identify yourself when I had legal right to.
That's not true.
That is. Alright, step back here to this car.
So if I run your gun, is it going to be stolen?
No, sir.
Okay.
How much have you had to drink today? Have a seat. I got a paper bag in the back.
T-Mobile has an exclusive phone and internet bundle
Derek,
just for you. Right now, get 2 unlimited 5G
Yeah.
126.
plus text
114 on duty.
5G home internet. Setup is easy with just one cord,
Not that I'm aware of.
which is great
Central.
into that whole Switch now and experience the best mobile network.
Lowe's.
Visit your local
Sit.
store and start saving.
Good boy.
You're not wanted, so why wouldn't you get
It's gotta be clean. It's gotta be
Sit. Sit.
Just because I didn't have to.
No, legally you do.
you do?
844.
Because we did get a call about you being in somebody's yard. And we explained that.
I get that.
So, legally you did. So, well, you can discuss that in court.
I will.
Okay.
This is an illegal detainment.
Oh, no, it's not.
It is.
You think I would make an illegal arrest after 17 years of doing this job?
What law was I breaking?
Oh, obstruction.
What law was I breaking?
You refused to identify
What
yourself.
law was I breaking?
I tell you what, I was going to try and be nice and call somebody from the dog. I'm calling animal control. If you want to continue, I'll play that.
I'm
No,
here chilling with you, but
no, you're trying to argue, and I'm not doing it.
His ID's next to your phone.
I'll sit here and talk to you. I'll sit here and be cool. But what y'all got me going through right now? It is bad.
No, you're putting yourself through this. Hey, you are on your way in, right?
Parker, can you talk to me?
We just 95'd a gentleman down here on South Palm Street, and he's got a dog with him.
Can you talk to him? Can you let me look? I'll tell you the whole thing. I don't want my dog to go to the bank. For real. She's gonna get lost.
Jennifer.
I don't want the dog to be
Small. Who can come to get the dog?
I can call my mother, and she can call my. I don't know my brother's number, but I can call my mother, and she can call my brother.
Where's he at?
He is right across the street from Wayne County High School. Sorry.
Right across from the high school.
Am I going to jail?
Yeah, you're going to jail.
what?
Obstruction. Watch your leg. Let me grab your phone.
X-ray 650.
Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Hold on. No. Come on. Hey, hop down. Hop down. Hold down. Come here. Hey. Right here. Come on. Hey. Come on. Thank you.
23 at the edge on me. Any mileage?
Right here. He's right here.
755.
Alright. How do you get into your phone? Is it on?
No, it actually
Oh,
is.
it's
Yeah,
dead.
that's. I was about to say it's dead.
Okay.
I literally, man, come on.
No. Why? Because I explained it to you before, and you're like, no, I'm not playing your game. You wanna do it your way.
The game. You are playing the game.
Look, if you're gonna argue, I'll go ahead and take the dog to the pound. I believe that's your son. Okay. Yeah.
Lola.
Okay. We're out here on the side of South Palm Street. He needs somebody that can come and get his dog.
Chase.
So come get his dog, because he is going to be going with us for this morning. Going to be for obstruction. He refused to identify himself after we got a call to him, being in somebody's yard. So, and the bad thing is he didn't have a warrant or anything like that. He just refused. He refused to provide his name, date of birth. Said he didn't have to, and I explained to him he was going to go to jail if not. He said he didn't have to, so. Yeah. Yeah, you can smell the alcohol. Yeah. Interesting. But is there any way you or somebody can come get his... Oh, yeah. Understand. He said something about maybe if you could get his brother. He didn't know his brother's number, and his phone is completely dead. Oof. Okay. Hey, he's drinking. Mama said that he was walking home because he'd been drinking with his buddy and knew he couldn't drive.
Yeah, he come from 4th Street.
All the way from 4th?
That's what he told me.
Where's he going?
So I asked him, I said, where are you going to? Coming from? He said, my cousin, where your cousin lives on 4th Street.
Okay.
He said he made it to the guy's driveway.
He slept in this person's driveway? Oh, wow.
After the arrest, Derek filed a formal complaint. Captain Gray dismissed Derek's formal complaint in under 24 hours by fabricating a narrative that Derek was an armed man, posing a potential danger near a school. When body cam audio, CAD logs, and GPS data placed the entire stop on South Palm Street blocks from any campus. Georgia's constitutional carry framework under OCGA, Section 16-11-126, and the Fourth Amendment protects citizens from being placed in legal jeopardy for protecting rights guaranteed under the United States Constitution. Yet Derek was jailed in Wayne County on a $2,000 bond, charged with obstruction and resisting despite never pulling away, never fighting, never fleeing, only asking, what law was I breaking? Parker, demoted from lieutenant to sergeant just 3 months prior for conduct violations outlined in a letter from Chief Chris Hamilton, faced no accountability. Instead, Gray's direct superior rewrote history to justify the arrest. No trespass citation, no weapons charge, no public intoxication ticket despite officers smelling alcohol because Derek was walking, not driving, not disorderly, not endangering anyone. Officers used Lola as a weapon. Keep arguing and we call animal control, forcing Derek to beg for his dead phone to be used to contact family. This wasn't law enforcement. It was retaliation for asserting Fifth and Fourth Amendment rights, protected speech, criminalized by ego, and enabled by a department that circles wagons instead of upholding the Constitution. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.